Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting your sequence ready and creating a captions track so you can type directly onto the timeline. Import and place your clips, then switch to the captions or text workspace. This gives you the panels you need. Create new item captions and pick open captions for flexible styling. Once done, drag the captions item onto a track above your video. Now you're set to add timed subtitle blocks that align with spoken audio. Now add your subtitle text directly into the captions or text panel and create segments for each line of dialogue. Place the playhead where speech starts, add a caption, type the text, then move the playhead and create the next one. Make precise timing adjustments by trimming caption clip edges or dragging segment handles on the timeline. For legibility, format using caption settings. Choose font, size, color, position, and optional background box so viewers can read in any lighting. Finish by exporting with the right caption option. Burn them into video for guaranteed playback or export an SRT if you need a separate file. Use File Export Media and select the caption delivery format. For burned-in, choose the Burn Captions option. If timing drifts after export, check that sequence frame rate and source clip frame rates match, and then relink or nudge captions frame by frame on the timeline. A quick fix is to snap captions to cut points to restore alignment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.